Hello, dear students. Myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we will discuss about Indian economy. This is chapter second. We have to discuss about policies, reforms, and measures to solve agriculture problem. So, dear students, we have to discuss about this topic, and this topic is related about our Indian economy. And we know very well our India is got freedom on 15th August 1947. Before that, here ruled by English, means British is ruling in our country, and we are not free on that time. But before, on the fixed date 1947, on the 15th August, we got freedom. According to that, we got our own constitutions. According to that, we are going to develop our agriculture, industrial, transport, communication, a lot of things. According to that, we can know about the agriculture problems. Means we had solved our agriculture problem also after that independence. Because you know very well, our Indian 85% population is living in the village on that time when we got freedom in 1947, and 75% people they are doing agriculture work. That's why we had improved our agriculture work and solved all agricultural problems. We know during the colonial rules there was neither growth nor equality in the agriculture sector. We know very well on that time we don't have a improvement, we don't have any growth in agriculture sector. So we had done a lot of activities to improve our agriculture process. We had done a lot of activities work. According to that, we are getting improvement. So we have to know reforms in Indian agriculture. Three types of reforms we are going to read. First, industrial reform. We can say land reform also. Second is a technical reform. We can say green revolution. Third one is a green reform or other reforms. These are the name. With the help of that we can able to know these things and we can able to calculate. So now we have to discuss one by one these all things. Industrial reforms or land reforms, it is also the part of our Indian agriculture. With the help of that we can able to calculate these types of goods and services, what we are improving in these activities. First one is a elevation of intermediaries, and second one land sellings. According to that these are the things we are improving day to day, and our agriculture work is improving. Means intermediary goods and services we are providing to our farmers agriculture work, and they are improving day to day. But land selling is an important part of our Indian agriculture. In land selling we had given part of land to each and everyone, and they got these types of paper. Within one day we had given 200 lakh people, and we had given stamp, and we had approved that the field is their own and they can able to do their agriculture work on the proper field. Same process we can say technical reform. In technical reform we had provided a lot of goods and services like technology, good quality machinery, high quality bees, seeds, pesticides, and a lot of things we had provided. जैसे आपको पता होना चाहिए कि अभी हमारे एग्रीकल्चर में अधिक से अधिक अच्छी मशीनरी है, टेक्नोलॉजी है, अच्छे बीज हैं, खाद हैं, उर्वरक हैं, कीटनाशक दवाएं हैं, जो पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. With the help of that we can able to know these all the things, and we had to improve day to day. नेक्स्ट वन इज द गिवन अचीवमेंट्स इन द ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन। हमने ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन जो बनाया उसके अंतर्गत हमने क्या अचीवमेंट किया। So according to our green revolution, we had improved lot of activities and we had got a lot of processes. So green revolution is a very important part of our agriculture work, and we had improved a lot of activities. With the help of that, we are improving day to day. So now in front of you I had explained reforms of Indian agriculture. Once again you have to listen. We know during the colonial rules there was neither growth nor equality in the agriculture sector. That's why we had improved three types of reforms. First one is a industrial reforms, land reform we can say. Second one, technological reforms, green revolution. This is second. Third one is a green reforms or other reforms. Three reforms I had told in front of you. According to that, we had developed our agriculture process. Now, dear students, you have to listen this video, subscribe my channel, and make a note and learn it. It's very important topic. Now, thank you all. Thank you.